everyone, welcome back to online classes. Standard 8, Subject English, Section Grammar, Unit 21, Topic Prefix and Suffix. Let us solve the exercise and write the answers of this topic. Let's begin. Firstly, what is prefix and what is suffix? A prefix is a group of words placed before the root word in order to create a new word with a different meaning. A suffix is a group of words placed after the root word in order to create a new word with different meaning. Prefix and suffix are not words in their own right and cannot stand on their own in a sentence. Let us study some examples. Prefix, root word, new word. Unhappy, unhappy. Multicultural, multicultural. Disrespect, disrespect. Supermarket, supermarket. Misunderstanding, misunderstanding. Impossible, impossible. Unable, unable. Extraterrestrial, extraterrestrial. Overcook, overcook. Anti-government, anti-government. Autobiography, autobiography. Hypertension, hypertension. Demotivate, demotivate. International, international. Prehistoric, prehistoric. Rewrite, rewrite. Telecommunication, telecommunication. Underestimate, underestimate. Midday, midday. Outdo, outdo. Semicircle, semicircle. Submarine, submarine. In this manner, we have understood what is prefix. In prefix, first prefix is used, then root word is used, and then a new word is formed. But in suffix, first we have to use the root word, then suffix, and then new word is formed. Now let us study some examples of suffix. Enjoyment, enjoyment. Goodness, goodness. Beautiful, beautiful. Heavenly, heavenly. Extraction, extraction. Baggage, baggage. Reliance, reliance. Boredom, boredom. Employee, employee. Trainer, trainer. Neighborhood, neighborhood. Childish, childish. Capitalist, capitalist. Equality, equality. Ministry, ministry. Friendship, friendship. Drinkable, drinkable. Homeless, homeless. Soften, soften. Clarify, clarify. Cloudy, cloudy. Industrialize, industrialize. In this manner, we have completed all the suffix examples. Let us study further. Now, let us study some most common prefix. Prefix meaning keyword. Anti against, anti-freeze. De opposite, deforest. Dis not opposite of, that is disagree. MN cause to, encode, embrace. For, before, forecast. In field. Ill, not, that is injustice, impossible, illegal, irregular. Inter means between, interact. Middle, midway. Miss, wrongly, misfire. Now here prefix is given which are having some meanings. So here each word is having some meaning. For example, anti means against, inter means between, mid means middle, miss means wrongly, and so on. Let's study further. Non, not, nonsense. Over, overlook. Pre, before, prefix. Re, again, redo. Semi, half, semicircle. Sub, under, submarine. Super, above, superstar. Trans, across, transport. Not, unfriendly. Under, ursa. Most common suffix. Suffix, their meanings and their keywords. Able and able, can be done, comfortable. Ale and eel, have characteristics of personal, added, past tense verbs, hoped and made of, wooden, comparative, higher, one who, worker, actor, est, comparative, biggest, full, full of, careful, having characteristic of, linguistic. ing, verb form, present participle, running, shun, ashen, ishan, act or process, occasion, attraction, ett, state of, infinity, active, etive, adjective form of a noun, plantative, less, without, fearless, characteristic of, quickly, meant, action or process, enjoyment, ness, state of, condition of, kindness, ovus, es, possessing of the qualities of, joyous, ss, more than one, books, y, characterized by, happy. Let's begin. Now let us solve the exercise. Question number 1. Add a prefix to the root word given below and make a new word. Legal, illegal, appear, disappear, possible, impossible, logical, illogical, view, review, code, decode, polite, impolite, equal, unequal, merge, submerge, biotic, antibiotic, rich, enrich, fair, unfair, able, unable, safe, unsafe, fortune, misfortune, final, semi-final, approve, disapprove, worker, co-worker, biotic, abiotic, trust, mistrust. Prefix means you have to add word before the root verb, and suffix means you have to add word after the root word. Question number 2. Add suffix to the root word to form a new word. Friend, friendship, grow, growth, move, movement, perfect, perfection, modest, modesty, wise, wisdom, harm, harmful, faith, faithful, love, lovable, tire, tiresome, hand, handy, hill, hilly, life, lifelike, punish, punishment, leader, leadership, true, truth, attract, attractive, cheer, cheerful, quarrel, quarrelsome, and the last one is easy. In this manner we have studied what is the meaning of prefix, suffix, their examples and their usage. Okay, now students, you will revise this topic very thoroughly at home. It is one of the most useful topic. I hope you all are liking my videos. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel Kids Study Fun and Food. It will be an honor if you share this video, and I like people who share my videos. Thanks a lot. Bye everyone. Take care, stay safe, stay home and follow the rules of safety. Thanks a lot.